Have you ever wanted to make an in-game digital camera for your player to take photos with? First thing you'll need is a camera model. I got this one from Sketchfab. Then you need to set up a viewport to hold the camera's view. I used a simple shader and animation to move the camera to the eyes of the player. You can use a short piece of code to get the viewport showing using getViewport.getTexture.getData. You can save this to the user folder, but how do you get it back? This is where things get tricky. First, you need to use getLen to get the size of the file in bytes. Then you can take that to create a buffer, and you can see that I've nested these two together. Once you have the buffer, you can instance an image and load the PNG from the buffer. Then instance an image texture and use create from image to get an image texture. Now that you've done that, you can simply assign it to any texture rect. I keep mine in a scroll container and a grid container. There's nothing really that fancy. In fact, if reading in the images was less complicated, I call this whole process simple and easy. I always had a soft spot for games with photography slotted in there. You can use this to add flair to your game, or you could make it a more central theme. Hit that plus for more quick tips in Godot, or you can check out the full video on my YouTube.